50-ton, 8-foot Betenbender press brake. Hi, I'm Adam Addis with Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used equipment such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, saws, water jets, and much more since 1954. Today we're going to show you a really nice machine. We actually sell these brand new as well as used. If you have one to buy, sell, or trade, let us know how we can work with you. This is a Betenbender American-made press brake. Super simple machine. Everything on it is just very basic. The parts are very basic, easy to get. You go to Grainger, get the parts off the shelves. Just about most of the pieces and electrical parts are really easily replaceable, which is something we're always looking for as we repair as many machines as we do. This machine has a back gauge right here. You've got your inch and metric selection. Got your back gauge right here. Reverse. What that's going to do is allow you to move your material in, set up your fingers there. Once you hit your piece, you know you're going to be right at the part where you can bring your ram down and actuate. You can also program within this back gauge, so you can set up a few different stops along the way. If you have one job that you're doing over and over again, really nice, easy production. Got a foot pedal actuation right here. Hydraulic cylinders on each side. We've got our limits right here. You'll notice on the side here we have a 2-speed ram, quick actuation, slow forming, and then a quick retreat. And that of course is going to help you on your production depending where you have your part, so you don't have to wait in that slow forming mode to get it to bend each time. You can see really nice clean cylinders, no leaks here. We'll walk you around the back of the machine, cycle it a few times, and show you the back gauge as well. This machine uses American tooling, fully functional and guaranteed by Sterling Machinery. Here you can see the back gauge is at 20 inches, 21 inches, 22 inches, 23, 24. Maybe you can tell, but we also do auctions here, so if you do know of any machinery places going out of business or any machines for sale, give us a call. We can help you out with that as well. You can see nice, easy to run machine. You've got your up and down here for your setup when you're in the jog mode. Again, everything's going to be set on the side here, tonnage indicator. If this is the type of brake you're looking for, maybe you're looking for something bigger, we have a few bigger machines here as well. As I said, here at Sterling Machinery, we do go through the machine to make sure everything's fully functional. This particular machine is a brand new Cincinnati that's in here. Here's a used Cincinnati that we've just gone through, found out the cylinders were leaking after we've been cycling a few times, took both the cylinders off, now we're replacing all the seals, get everything put back in, and that's the kind of machine you're going to be getting from us. Guaranteed, fully functional, ready to go. Nice machine. Back to these machines over here. 50-ton, 8-foot. That was a 200-ton and a 90-ton. You can see we have a really nice Amada back here. Really nice small precision machine that uses different type of European tooling. And if this is the type of machinery you're looking for, if you have anything to buy, sell, or trade, doesn't matter what it is, all industrial equipment welcome. Give us a call at 626-444-0311. Check out our website for some great financing options at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.